Hey everybody and welcome back to TradeGenius YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into something that can really change how you see your chart. We're talking about trend lines, but not just any trend lines. We're going to make them way easier to understand and use. Now, we all know trend lines are super important, right? They tell you where the market's heading. But let's be honest, drawing them perfectly, it's tough. You're trying to spot those highs and lows, connect the dots, and sometimes it just feels like guesswork. And if you get it wrong, well, your trade might suffer. That's why we're going to look at a tool that takes a lot of that guesswork away. We're going to use Bitcoin USDT on a 5-minute chart just for this example. But here's the cool part. This isn't just for crypto. You can use this on anything, forex, stocks, commodities, you name it. And it works on any time frame too. Whether you're in for a quick scalp or a long-term hold, this strategy got you covered. So what's the magic ingredient? It's an indicator called Trendlines with breaks. Think of it as your personal trendline assistant. It automatically draws those lines for you based on pivot points. Now, if you ever struggle to figure out where to draw your lines, or if you just want a little extra confidence in your analysis, this is going to be a game changer. Getting it set up is super simple. Just head up to the Indicators tab on your TradingView chart. Type in Trendlines with breaks. And make sure you pick the one by Lux Algo. Once you add it, you'll see it draws these clear lines for you, highlighting potential breakout areas. And get this, you can even adjust how steep those lines are and how a slope is calculated, so it fits your trading style. What this does is take a lot of the confusion out of spotting potential trades. Instead of wondering if you draw your lines right, you'll have clear visual cues that can help you make better decisions. And that means you can focus more on what really matters, finding those profitable opportunities. Alright, let's crank up the excitement and dive deeper into how to really make this indicator work for you. Check out this chart, right? You see those trend lines popping up. That's the trend lines with breaks indicator doing its thing, automatically drawing those lines for us. And not only that, it's throwing out breakout signals, letting us know when the price punches through those trend lines, both up and down. Now here's the thing. Just because the indicator throws a signal doesn't mean we just blindly jump into a trade. That's like trusting a weather forecast without looking out the window. You know, we need to optimize this bad boy, fine-tune it to fit our strategy and add some confirmation. Stick with me because this is where the magic happens, where we turn those signals into profit. First things first. Let's get into the indicator settings. Click the letter gear icon and let's get to work. We're gonna head over to that input section. Now, this is where we start to customize. See the swing detection look back setting? We're gonna bump that up to 21. What that does is it tells the indicator to look back a little further when it's figuring out those swing points. This gives us a slightly smoother and more reliable trend lines. Now, the slope and the slope calculation method options, we can leave those as their default settings for now. They're already pretty solid, but feel free to experiment with them later once you get the hang of things. And let's make sure our chart looks clean and easy to read. And we're gonna make sure our uptrend lines are nice and clear green and our downtrend lines are bold red. This makes it super easy to see what's going on at a glance. Now, we've got the indicator dialed in, but we're not done yet. We're gonna add some confirmations, some extra layer of analysis, so we can really separate the good trades from the bad ones. Alright, let's dial in even further and really get those winning trades locked down. That's where the market bias indicator comes in. It's like your traffic cop, telling you which direction the market's really moving. The market bias indicator is all about trend detection. It tells us if the market is on an uptrend, downtrend, or just bouncing around sideways. It's crucial avoiding those counter-trend trades that can drain your account. Adding it to your chart is a breeze. Just head back to the Indicators tab, type in market bias, and click to add it. Now we want to make sure it's showing us the bigger picture, the longer term trend, to keep us on the right side of the market. So let's tweak the settings. Go to the market bias settings in the input section. Leave the time frame set to chart, but change the period to 200. This tells the indicator to look at a longer period of price data, giving us a clearer view of the overall trend. Leave the smoothing and oscillator period as they are. Then turn off the HA candles, and of course, make sure those colors are green for uptrend and red for downtrend. Now with the market bias showing us the trend direction, we need to set some clear rules for our trades. Here's how we're going to do it. For buy trades, first we need to confirm we're in an uptrend. That means the price needs to be above the green market bias line. This is our first filter. Then we look for a trend line drawn by the trend lines with breaks indicator, and we wait for a bullish breakout signaled by a green B signal. This is our entry trigger. For a stop loss, we'll place it slightly below the recent swing low or slightly below the market bias line. This gives some room to breathe. And for our target, we'll aim 1.5 times the risk of the trade. This gives us a solid risk to reward ratio. And all sell signals would be ignored. And here's the golden rule. If the market bias is red indicating a downtrend, we ignore all buy signals. We only want to take buy trades when the overall trend is in our favor. By combining the trend line with breaks and the market bias indicator and sticking to these clear rules, we're significantly increasing our chances of finding those profitable trades. This is about trading smarter, not harder. And trust me, once you master this, you'll see a real difference in your trading results.